Hello everyone, today we're going to unbox the Live P2 which has 4 microphones and which can 40 hours of playtime and waterproof and 1-step pairing, and we're going to unbox it. Okay, so I took the tray out and first we see is the manual, and there's how do we sound manual, warning manual, and quick start guide and more. This is a USB cable, and they are extra small, small, medium, and big earbuds. I'm going to take the extra small one out. Here's the extra small. So we're going to put them aside now. And we're going to take this charging case out. And there is a plastic covering over it. So I'm going to take that out. Okay, so I took this out, and there is a paper underneath it to connect to your phone. So put that plastic away. Let's open the lid of this thing. Ooh, look at it. So we're gonna take one out, the right earbud. It has a button and 2 microphones. And I'm gonna take the left earbud out. So this also has 2 microphones and a button, same. And they started charging immediately when I put them back in. Now I'm going to bring in my phone, and we're going to pair this thing to my phone. Let's go to Bluetooth settings. Now let's search for it. So we're going to turn them on. And I don't see. Okay, now I can see them. Soundcore Live P2. Pair that. And the Live P2 L means left. So I'm just going to try them on now.
They sound really good, and I like the audio quality of the earbuds, and they sound like pretty good right now. So I'm gonna put them back over there. Okay, so I have the manual with me, and if you want to go back to the previous track, you have to press the left earbud 2 times. If you want to go back to the next track, then you have to press the right earbud 2 times. And if you want to pause or play, then you have to press left or right just 1 time. And then when you want to cut a call, and then you have to press for 1 second left or right earbud. When you want to answer or reject a call, you just have to left or right 1 time. When you want your voice assistant, you have to press the left or right earbud just for 1 second. And then when you want to power them off, then you have to hold them for 3 seconds. When you take them out the case, then they on. When you put them back in, then they start to power off. And then let's try to charge this charging case. So I'm gonna put the earbuds back inside. And we're gonna use the cable that came with the box. And I have my power bank here, so we're gonna use that. And there, it's charging inside there. And see, also the light is coming on the charging case. So that means that it's charging the charging case and also the earbuds.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and like for this video and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye.